Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm back here again. Just got the cell into the car and all the lines hooked back up. The tank is now secured again, and the bottom of the cell, get this light out here to show you, is fitting almost perfectly into the bottom of that spot. Probably would fit better if there was damage down here in this corner that you can't see because it's hidden by that wiring loom. But there's some previous access damage there apparently. No, not for me, but that's probably not letting the cell sit perfectly down in that spot. But anyways. Right now I'm only using the battery charger right now to power the cell, of course, you know, in with the battery. It's running about 14.2 volts on average by the looks of it. And as for production, with just plain straight distilled water, isn't too bad, but you know, obviously it could be better. I am still going to add electrolyte, seeing as there's only trace amounts in there, if that. I don't even know where the water level is. It's not very high, so I still have the rest of that gallon of distilled water to add, and I'll mix a small batch, small sample of water to mix a batch of the sodium hydroxide so I can add it in there, and then add the water to fill. But I just figured for the time being I'd show you what I'm getting with just plain, well, pretty much plain distilled water. So give me a second, I'll add some sodium hydroxide and we'll see what this thing's really going to do. Alright, I put about probably about 3 or 3.5, maybe 4 teaspoons of the sodium hydroxide. I can't seem to find my spoon. Oh, there it is. About this size or so. The only reason I'm not quite so sure is because there's some chunks in here. If you can see, there's some chunks in here because I was a little careless and ended up leaving the container open, and it absorbed some moisture, so it kind of clumped up a little bit. So with that said, I've added probably about 3 to 4 teaspoons of this. The water line, I'm going to shake if you can see it. I don't know, probably not. Anyways, the line is right here right now, and I will end up filling it up so it's right along the line right here. Still leaves plenty enough room for it to move about, you know, back and forth and side to side whenever the car is moving without sucking it up into the tube, hopefully. For a little while there, I wasn't quite sure why I wasn't seeing any bubbles at all coming out of the tank, or the 5-gallon bucket, because I forgot to freaking close my weep hole. But it's going a little bit faster than it was earlier, and it's slowly picking up. As you can see, I have no pump on it right now, so I can get this light to cooperate. As you can see, there's no pump at all on it, so it's having to gravity feed itself right now. And with this top line here being with the return line being so high above the level of the water, it's not going to circulate near as fast unless I have a pump on it. So probably gonna sit here and let it run for a little while, see if production picks up a little bit, and I might try to use this small half-liter bottle to get some sort of a production idea. but like I said, it's starting to pick up some, as the electrolyte from the tank gets into the cell. So it would be faster if I had that return line lower, but I'm not going to worry about it too much right now. My amp meter, which you can see if I can zoom in, the amp meter, which you can see right there, barely shows anything for amperage draw. And it's still running at, the leads hooked up here. So come on now, there we go. It's still running at about 14.2, 0.3. I checked the voltage per plate gap, and so I can put his light down so I can actually show you. Take the leads off. For all of the cells from this negative electrode, and this positive one is positive, all the way to the end here, it is running about 2 volts each. The end plates here are running about 2.5 to 3, but that's only because I don't have enough plates in there to make a full complete cell. Well, with a 7 plate gap cell anyways. So until I get some more gasket material, that's what the voltage is going to be for that, which is good. These cells here won't produce any heat, well, minimal heat, but this end cell here is going to be the one that's going to end up producing a lot of heat, which will be good come winter time, but bad for now. So just figured I'd show you what's going on right now, and see you guys on the next clip. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm back. Unfortunately, not with quite so much good news. Apparently the change of my hoses here, along with the addition of some hose clamps, they're coming up to here, and all the hoses there. Apparently that's created a small problem, because now the tank is collapsed due to the vacuum on from the engine. So I'm back to square one again for a freaking tank. Looks like about the only thing that's going to hold up is a metal tank, which is my favorite, but a little more difficult to fabricate. So it looks like I'll have to get some more argon gas from my TIG welder and some stainless steel and fabricate myself a damn tank again. So I guess I'll leave you at this. Let you watch what you want. And I'll be back as soon as I get a freaking tank made, or something else. So, for the time being, MOS68X signing out.